Blue light shining on the avenue. Summer air feels different next to you. Every heartbeat hits the bass as the city starts to fade. Neon reflections on the rain turn the streets to a liquid flame. We got nowhere else to go, just the rhythm moving slow. Every second feels unreal, like a dream we finally feel. No stopping, no sleep tonight, just living underneath the lights. Your silhouette in silver glow moves like waves in stereo. Every glance across the room pulls me deeper